Mga kababayan, magsisimula na po ang
Magsisimula na po tayo.
basketball dito sa
And our first five for Sueco Natapor.
Manori.
Peña, number 1. Vargas, number 24. From number 31. Soriao, number 0. And Rodriguez, number 9. And for PMFC, first 5. Napao, number 23. Manayo, number 13. Elvera, number 12. Dumagpoy, number 3, and Cornelio, number 10. And jump ball. May nakakonnect sa iPhone sa. And jump ball between Vargas and number 12. Kuha na ng parents. 3 pass to number 10, basket by number 10. Number 0, back the ball to number 9. Number 9 to number 31, from number 1 press, basket by number 31. 3 points. Number 13, stop. Bitawan ang bola to number 21. Pass kay number 9. Pinalikan number 21. Traveling violation. Committed by number 21. Number 13 to number 23. Balik kay number 13. Tiras. Wala. Rebound na PMFC to number 3 sa labas. Pumasok. Layup. Basket. Number 9. Pinabang ko. And pass by number 10. Steal by number 10 to number 13. Layup. Basket by number 10. Number 31. Rodriguez, number 32. Number 31, stop press. 3 points by number 31. Number 13. Sa ilalim. Kay number 18. Tumira ng press na number 13. Tapos, nakuha niya number 10, 2 points, awarded to number 10. Peña, number 1. Strong. Kay number 24, Vargas. Pinasa sa kalaban. Number 3, sa laksak. Layup, no good. Number 9, rebound to number 0. Sa laksak. Pull-up jumper, easy basket by number 0. Running score, deadlock at 8. Last 16 to shoot. Manayo, number 15, kay number 10 to number 23. Miscommunication. Bola na lang. Okay. Number 9, Rodriguez. Rockstock. Pasa kay number 0. Pinasa sa kalaban. Manayon, layup. Basket. Bayang Manayon. Number 21, last by Manayon pa rin pinakuha. Number 9, pinabaka bola. Sa press. Basket. Okay. 2 points only. Stepping. Bola sa gitna. Pushing foul. Jersey number 0, pushing foul. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 13, Manayon. Sa ilalim, disqualification. Number 1, bowling the ball to number 9, Rodriguez. Para sa number 1, Emilio. Number 9, layup. Wala. Pass break kay Manayon. Walang bantay. Ayan, basket. Easy layup by Manayon. Number 1, bowling the ball. Number 10, kasi number 31 to number 0. To number 9. Bitawan ni number 9. Same ball. Last 6 seconds shot clock. Number 31. Number 15, Manayon. Sa stock. Pass na kay number 23. Number 23, 2 points. Number 20. Sulia. Number 0. Ibang ball. Steal by Manayon. Manayon. Easy layup. Number 31. That's by number 10. It's over. Okay. Crossover. Number 10. That's by number 31. Two by foul by 31. Substitution right, number 12, team number 9 out. Number 31, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 3, Roby. Number 12, rebound. Steal by number 12. Pasa kay number 1. 24 sa tres, Vargas, basket, 3 points. Number 13, sila 9. Kay number 10. Number 3 sa tres, babawi, wala. Tapos, okay, 9 dahil bola na napo. Number 12, baba na bola. Basket by number 12. 1 point lead by Perez. Tumontoy. Pasa kay George. This call ref. Number 1. Number 1. Penny of first place. Last row. Last row by number 3, Dimaso. Sabar. Tanya out. Sabi na rin. Number 31 to number 12. Number 12. Tabuha to number 31. Kay Vargas sa tres. Wala. Number 3, rebound by number 3. Mandayon. Easily ulit by Mandayon. Number 31. Salaksak. Kapit ni number 12 to Mandayon sa ilalim. Basket by number 10. Number 26, kay Rodriguez. Steal by pasa ulit. Ayan, isang bantay. Pinasakay pa na yun. Basket. Time out! Sweat. Running score, 24-15. Favor of NFC. Back to the ball game. Bola ng Raptors White. Number 31 inbounding the ball. Pasa kay number 26. Number 26. Sabi mga bato number Mandayon ulit. Layup basket. Running score 26-15. Steal by number 3 to Mandayon. Isa layup ulit. Labas na yan. Mamumuro na si Mandayon. Number 3. Number 12. Sa ilalim. Same ball. Number 26 inbounding the ball to number 31. Basket by number 31. The on score 28-17. Plus 16 to shoot. Mandayon to Dumagtoy to Mandayon. Balik kayo Dumagtoy sa tres. Wala. Rebound by number 10 to number 10. Number 3 Dumagtoy. Wala pa rin. Follow up by number number 26. Cardinal. Wala. Rebound by number 23 to Dumagtoy. Kaya number 23 layup wala. Kuha ni pasa kay number 12, number 12 na isa. Pasa sa kay number 7. Wala. Number 23 rebound. Pass by number 7. Mandayon, number 13. Salaksak. Wala. Step back. Sa press. Rebound by number 23. Rebound. Foul. Number 26. Rebound by number 26. First personal foul by number 26. Warning or penalty. First row, no basket. Last row. Wala. Rebound ni number 13. Mandayon. Pasa kay Elvera. Basket by Elvera. Shot number 31. Last 8 seconds. Number 31, pasok. The foul, number 3. The blocking foul committed by number 3. Number 3, first personal foul, first team foul. Last first throw basket. Second throw basket by number 31. Last 4 seconds. Number 13. Sa press, wala. And end of the first quarter.
Hanggang dito na lamang po ang pagbablog ko. Welcome to my channel. Hi, Miton. Thank you. Bye-bye.
In favor of